you're fine. How are you? Hope you're fine. This is a new lesson 4 unit 9, part 1 video. So get ready with your learner's book, page number 134 to 135, and activity book, page number 106 to 107, and with your copy book. Unit 9, lesson 4, writing a leaflet. Learning objectives: speaking, speak about visits; reading, read information, find information, read slogans; writing, design and write a leaflet, write a slogan. So what do you mean by leaflet? Do you know anyone, any idea for this? This leaflet is like a the information about something, about if you go about to the zoo or about the about any place, any famous place. So this is the information that they give, like this kind of leaflet. So I show you already the leaflet. So I think you have seen many of the leaflet. If you go to any place, they give you they give you information like a small template, like a leaflet, like a small booklet, like to know about the information about that thing, about that place. So open your learner's book, page number 132. Talk about it. Have you ever visited a farm, zoo, or safari park? Was it is a school or family trip? What animals did you see and what did you do? So have you visited any farm, zoo or safari, and with your school or with your family, and which animals did you see and what do you do there with your family or with your school? And activity read learner's book, page number 132. Read this leaflet about the opening of a wildlife park. Would you like to go there? What activities or animals attract your attention in the leaflet? Why? So now I'm going to read for you. So you're going to listen carefully. Like this is this is about the zoo. So now you're going to read the leaflet. Opening a wild. There is a wild park. It's opening. So after reading, would you like to go there? And what activities or animals attract your children attention in the leaflet? Okay, what animals are activities? So I'm going to read. So listen carefully. Rudel Moor Wild Park. Come and feed the goats and lambs. Don't miss the tractor and trailer ride. Be the first to collect the fresh eggs. Stroke the baby cheeks. There are lots to see at Durrell Moor Wild Park. Come and see our llamas, raccoons, meerkats, and Egyptian fruit bats. Ride our sherry horse and don't leave without seeing our boa constrictor and Burmese python or our birds of prey. Opening times is Sunday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Close Mondays except bank holidays during school term time. So prices are adults are $8, pensioners are $6.50, children are 2 to 14 years $6, and under 2 years is free admission. So you know the price of the people, how much it will is cost. Okay, now you read already now. So you like to go there. There is a park like this, and what you'll do there, what animals you like to see there. Okay, so tell me why. So now let's go to activity 3 now, page number 133. Read the leaflet, answer the true or false. Now you read all the leaflet and now you want me to answer whether it is true or false. So you can't touch the animals. It is true or false? False, right? So you can just write here false. So okay, try to do it by yourself. Once you finish, just correct your answers in the next line. Now open your activity book, page number 106. Complete the dialogue below with the information from the leaflet. Now you have to first read. There is a dialogue here about the wild animal sanctuary. So you're going to read it and complete the down part, the dialogues. Okay, I'm going to read for you. So listen carefully. Species: emus, bears, African lions, tigers, foxes, raccoons, lynx, and more. Days: Sunday to Saturday, Mondays closed. Opening timings 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Price: adults $10, adults over 65 years $7.50, children 3 to 12 years $7, and children under 2 years free admission. So in summer safari and fair Saturday 12th July, summer concert will be back, a wild rock Friday 18 July. So now you heard about the leaflet. Now you need to, after reading this, you need to complete the dialogues down. You can see that I can read for you one line. The mom, Look at this leaflet about the wild animal sanctuary. Adam, do you want to go there in the school holidays? Adam, yes please. What can I see there? Mom, there are lots of amazing animals too. There are emus, bears and wildcats and two like. So, emus, bears and wildcats too like. So after that, what are the animals they have written? So you need to continue the fill up the blanks. So what are the other things they have written? Lions, tigers, lynx. Okay, these are the animals they have written. Rest of you will do it by yourself. So I gave you one example. Rest of you do it by yourself and check the answer in the next slide.